Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to all of you. And today I am telling you that we have completed chapter number 1 MCQs, and today we are going to solve some exercises, including the short question answers of your exercise and some additional short question answers of chapter number 1. And these additional question answers are very important, keeping in view the board exams. Therefore, your complete attention and focus is required in today's lecture. So let's start with short question answers of chapter number 1. The exercise question number 2, give short answers. Give 2 duties of the Union Councils. Duties of the Union Councils. The duties of Union Council include the security arrangements within its boundary, making the annual development program for the area, impose taxes at the local level, and solving the cases of crime of small nature, land and family disputes. And the question number 2 is, why was Washington Declaration made? Washington Declaration, there was a clash between Pakistan and India in Kargil in May 1999. On the advice of American President Bill Clinton, Nawaz Sharif visited America and signed the ceasefire communique. It was called Washington Declaration. The nation and army showed a deep sense of despair and anger over this step. Why did President Ghulam Ishaq Khan dismiss the Benazir Bhutto government? The dismissal of the Benazir Bhutto government, the President Ghulam Ishaq Khan, using the power under Section 58(2)(b) of the Constitution, and dismissed Benazir Bhutto government on the charges of corruption and dissolved the National Assembly on 6th August 1990. Her first government lasted for about 20 months. And the use of the Article 58(2)(b) was almost exclusively justified by the President as necessary for the removal of the corrupt government. Write 2 measures taken for women in Musharraf government. For the first time in the history of Pakistan, a female doctor, Shamshad Akhtar, was appointed the governor of State Bank of Pakistan. Women were appointed for the first time fighter pilot in the Air Force by the government. Women were allowed to contest on general seats despite having reserved seats in the national and provincial assemblies. Women were given small loans without guarantees on easy term by the banks. Women were appointed traffic wardens in main cities of Punjab. A direct commission was made possible for the women in the army. Under which law did America discontinue the supply of defense ornaments to Pakistan? Pressless Amendment was enforced rapidly in 1998. What is meant by Lahore Declaration? Lahore Declaration. The Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee visited Lahore by bus with a message of goodwill. Mian Mohammad Nawaz Sharif welcomed him at Wagah border. Both leaders announced many plans to normalize mutual relations. A joint communique was signed with which was called Lahore Declaration. The next question is, why is the 1973 Constitution called the Federal Constitution? Like the previous Constitution, Pakistan has been declared as a federal state. The Federation of Pakistan consists of 4 provinces and federal capital and some tribal areas, which are called FATA, federally administered tribal areas. Number 7 is, what was the limit of the agricultural land which Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto fixed for the individual holding? The answer is, the limit of land ownership irrigated by canals was fixed up to 150 acres and land irrigated by natural rains was up to 300 acres. Question number 9 is, under which amounts were Habib Bank and UBL privatized? Habib Bank was sold for only 22 billion and UBL was sold for only 13 billion rupees in December 2004. In which election was graduation made conditional for the candidates? condition of BA or graduation, the election were held in October 2002. General Pervez Musharraf took oath as the president of the country for the next 5 years in November 2002. For the first time in Pakistan, it was declared mandatory for a candidate to be graduate. Now we are going to start some additional MCQs, and number one is write a short note on Zulfikar Ali Bhutto era. And Zulfikar Ali Bhutto era start from the 20th December 1971 and ends in 5th July 1977. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto took over the office of President of Pakistan as well as the Chief Martial Law Administrator on 20th December 1971. He was the first civilian Chief Martial Law Administrator of the country. To create a new spirit in the nation, enable them to force the challenging condition and to make people aware of his policies. He made his first speech the same day, which gave new determination and zeal to the moral of the Pakistani people. He said, "The country is facing serious crisis. I have taken over at a time when the history of Pakistan has reached its turning point. I have to build a new and progressive Pakistan, which Quaid-e-Azam dreamed. It is my belief that it will definitely be done." Question number 2. Explain the nationalization of bank and insurance companies in Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto period. Nationalization of bank and insurance company. The big capitalist families had their own banks and insurance companies which were encouraging the capitalist system. The government was not gaining any considerable profit from these units. For the economic stability of the country, all the insurance companies were nationalized and merged under the control of State Life Corporation on 19th March 1972. All the scheduled banks were also taken over by the government of Pakistan on 1st January 1974. Nationalization of banks and insurance company proved very fruitful for the economic stability and prosperity of the people of Pakistan. The profit gained was spent for the betterment of the public. Question number 3. Why industries was nationalized in Bhutto's regime? The answer is, by 1971, 60% of the country's industrial assets and 80% of the insurance business was owned by 22 families. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto considered that industrial development and stability were essential for the people of Pakistan. His main goal was the betterment of the people. He disagreed with the policies of the capitalists, the wealthy, and the industrialist. Question number 4. Write any 5 names of those industries which were nationalized by the Bhutto's government. Name of these industries are assembling plant for motor car industry, heavy and fundamental chemical industry, industry for making fundamental goods, steel making and iron industry, industry for making heavy machinery. Write any 2 points of labor policy of 1972. 2 points from Bhutto's new labor policy of 1972 are as follows. The representative of the laborers were now the part of the administrative committee which was responsible to run the affairs of the factory. Number 2, a bonus was to be paid annually and equivalent to one's salary. In case of increase in the production, further special bonuses were also given. Next question is, write any 2 positive impact of nationalization on industry. 2 positive impact of nationalization on industry due to the labor reforms of 1972. The exploitation of the laborers was ended. Their salaries and other benefits were increased. The industrial institution began to pay all necessary taxes to the government. Write any 2 negative impacts of the nationalization on industries. 2 negative impacts of nationalization on industries are as under. Since the industries came under government control, the capitalists set up only few industries in Pakistan, due to which the industrial development was slowed down. By taking the control of the industrial unit, the government expenditure increased tremendously. The labor unions took advantage of the political freedom and went on strike and demonstrations, frequently for seeking increase in benefits, and which affected greatly the performance of the units. Write any 5 Islamic provisions of the Constitution of 1973. You can write any of three provisions, and Islamic provisions in the Constitution of 1973 are main three provisions are written here. Islam has been declared as the state religion. It has been declared essential for the president and the prime minister to be Muslim. The official name of the state is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. It encouraged the practice of the Islamic mode of life among the citizens. Zakat, Awqaf, and Ushr will be enforced. Next question is, what is meant by bicameral legislature? The parliament consists of two houses, the upper house and the lower house. The upper house is called the Senate and the lower house named as National Assembly. That is why it is called bicameral legislature. In unicameral legislature, there is only one house, and in the bicameral legislature, there are two houses. How many members are there in the Parliament of Pakistan? Parliament consists of two houses, the Senate and the National Assembly. The total members of the Parliament, Majlis-e-Shura, is 46 members, and the Senate are 104 members. In the National Assembly are 42 members. Which is the permanent house of the parliament, and what is the tenure and how many members are there in it? Senate is a permanent house of the parliament and its tenure is for 6 years, and there are 104 members of the Senate, or the Senate consists of 104 members. What is Geneva Agreement? Geneva Agreement, America and Russia signed an accord in April 1988 in Geneva. Russia accepted defeat and agreed to withdraw its force from Afghanistan after 15th February 1989. This treaty is known as Geneva Agreement. The Prime Minister of Pakistan, Muhammad Khan Junejo, also participated and signed that agreement. This was the end of Afghan Jihad. With this, we have come to some additional MCQs. The Bhutto government seized passports of the capitalist families on December 22, 1971. The C option is the correct option. How many acres of land was distributed among peasants till March 1976? The option B is the correct option, 1.5 million acres. How many clauses are there in the Constitution of 1973? There are 280 clauses in the Constitution of 1973. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto issued an ordinance to take control of big industries officially on 2nd January 1972. Option D is correct. General Ziaul Haq imposed martial law on 5th July 1977. In South Asia, through an act, the Viceroy Lord Ripon implemented the system of local government in 1884. The incident of the World Trade Center 9/11 take place in 2001. The Constitution of 1973 consists of judicial records, 6 judicial records. Option B is the correct option. Which of the following was declared official language of Pakistan in the Constitution of 1973? English is the official language of Pakistan in 1973. In the Constitution of 1973, it has been declared essential for the President and the Prime Minister both to be Muslims. According to the Constitution of 1973, the period of National Assembly was fixed 5 years. Which government system was enforced in the country in the Constitution of 1973? The parliamentary system was enforced in the country in the Constitution of 1973. The total number of the member of the parliament is 446 is the right option. Now we have come to the end of this lecture. Hope you all have understood all the questions and MCQs and learned them by heart to prepare for the upcoming test. Stay home, stay safe and study regularly. Allah Hafiz.